Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Friends, when we are using our Bluetooth speakers, our talkback sounds also goes to Bluetooth speakers. So we have problem to understand our TTS voices, right? So today I am going to share with you a trick with the help of which you can solve this problem. Easily you can send your media sound to your Bluetooth speakers, but your talkback sounds play in your phone. So I'm using Samsung A12 for recording this video, and only Samsung phones has these features, I think, because I have another phone which is a Redmi device. I was not able to get the options. So let me know into the comment section whether your phone has the option or not. Let's start the video. Friends, if you first time visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and join our Telegram channel for more updates and more applications. So I have already turned on Bluetooth, and now I am turning on my Bluetooth speaker. So I have turned on. Please wait for connection. Okay, so now the Bluetooth speaker is connected with our phone. If I am swiping from left to right, let's see. So my TTS voice goes to the speakers, right? So now I'm going to settings.
Settings button, automation.
After that, let me go to sounds and vibration.
Connections, sound and vibration, sounds and vibration.
So I think you are getting TTS voices from quite far. So in sounds and vibrations, there are last option called separate app sound. So let me swiping from left to right.
Sound, vibrate, mute, vibrate while ringing, ringtone, notification, volume, 6 of 7, home vibration, notification, vibration, system sound / vibration, 6 sound quality and separate app sound.
Okay.
On the different audio device, 15 of 17.
So number 15 option is separate app sound. Just click here.
Separate app sound. Main media sounds from one app on a different audio device. Turn on now. On switch.
So turn on now, on switch. So I'm turning off it again, and I'm turning on now. When you turn on first time, you will get the setup options or setup button. Just click on setup. Then you have to choose the application to send your media device. I will show you how it's look like. Okay, so now I'm turning on again.
Main audio output device. The device is in it. YouTube 3 of 5.
Okay, so now when I click on turn on button, there is a notification. I'm just
Main media sound from one app on a different audio. Box. 1121. Collapsed. Change main audio output device. Android system. 1121. The audio device you selected for YouTube. Outstone 200 is the same as your main audio device. Your main audio device there is the stand button.
So I'm expanding this option and
Collapse button.
click on OK button.
Okay button.
So let's see.
Collapsed. Gmail. Ratulbasak. Gmail.
Now you can
Separate
listen the TTS sound in my phone's speaker. Okay, so when you add or when you click on turn on now first time, you have to click on setup button, because there is options to add applications.
On switch.
So it's now turned on. Then
App YouTube 3 of 5.
app YouTube. So I'm going to app. Here is the apps list. You can add more apps.
Navig app. Select a multimedia app. Not it. Select a multimedia app to play its sound on a different device. 1 of 5.
Okay. So select your application to play its sound. Different multimedia device.
Notate, radio button, Samsung Internet, 3, tick, add app. Add apps, 5 of 5.
So when you click on add apps, then you can add another apps. All the apps available in your phone will be showing. Okay, I am backing. And
Navigate up, button.
after that,
App, audio device, Bluetooth device,
audio
4 of
device.
5.
So here you can select audio device. So if I click here,
Navigate up,
let's see.
audio. Select the audio device you want. Notate, radio button, phone, 2 of 3.
Phone.
Tick, radio button, Bluetooth device, Boatstone 200, 3 of 3.
Bluetooth device. Okay, so Boatstone 200, which is my Bluetooth device. Okay, so this is the way you can easily change your you can usually use your home theater only for sounds. But now let me show you whether it works or not. Let me open the YouTube.
Reasons. Reasons. Screen recorder 15. Close all button out of settings 60. Screen YouTube advanced options. YouTube.
So I'm opening YouTube. Here I have already
YouTube.
opened a copyright free
Video player.
music from
Double tap
audio
the show
library.
minimize
So
button.
let me play the music.
Tick or cast. Disconnect. 0 minute video player. Double tap. Tick or cast. Cap. More options. High control. Rewind 10 seconds. Play video button.
Listen, I am playing this video and the music will be played through my Bluetooth speaker. I hope you are enjoying. So friends, this is the way you can easily separate your media sound or is your YouTube sounds or any applications sounds which supports multimedia to your home theater or any other Bluetooth devices. I hope this video is very interesting. So what you need to do is just like the video, share the video with your friends and let me know into the comment section. This is for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.